Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on surfaces of objects. Different shaped objects can have a variety of different surfaces. The following are some of the more popular objects and their surfaces are described. Firstly, we have the cube. A cube has 6 flat surfaces. Each surface is a square. The rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 flat surfaces. Each surface is a rectangle. The cylinder. A cylinder has 2 flat surfaces. The top and the base are circles. The side is a curved surface. Triangular prism. A triangular prism has 5 flat surfaces. 3 are rectangles. 2 are triangles. Square pyramid. A square pyramid has 5 flat surfaces. 4 are triangles, 1 is a square. The cone. A cone has 2 surfaces. One is a circle, the other is curved. The sphere. A sphere has 1 surface. It is curved. Here are some exercises we could give to students. Students could be asked to describe 1 or more surfaces from given objects that occur in real life. The following are 2 examples, and there are many more that can be given to the students. Describe the identified surface for each of the following objects. So here we're looking at the yellow lid, and the students would be asked to describe that surface. Here we're looking at the blue and the yellow striped surface, and the students would be asked to describe that surfaces. So this video has looked at different 3D objects, and we've looked at the surfaces that make up those objects.